Tapas Fleming here, tatlife.com. You may be feeling like fear will never leave you, and that is absolutely how it is for you. You're fearful. You have been as long as you can remember, and well, you don't really trust people, or bad things have happened, so of course you're fearful. And your guts just are always tight, your heart's kind of clenched, you're on edge. I just want to let you know that that does not have to be your reality, your experience from here on out. There are things that you can look at that are going to help you get rid of that condition. Now, being in that condition is natural for so many of us for what we've lived through in our childhoods. And it's just like, well, okay, so that's how you ended up, but you don't have to stay that way. It's possible for you to notice all the thoughts you have, like, this is just who I am. Everybody in my family's this way. This is who we are. This is who my whole community is. We just have this fear that we all share. This is who we are. Or there's no natural way for me to change this. Period. I'm sure of it. I've tried everything. And there's so many thoughts that you can be having. So I want to let you know those are thoughts. And thoughts are easily changeable with TAT. I'll tell you how in just a little minute. And then you probably notice things that you feel, like your guts are tight. You don't feel like you can really connect with people. You feel on edge. Anxious. Who are those people? I don't know. I don't really know if I want to connect. Just like, nothing's kind of really working, or feeling easy and flowing because of the fear you're always in. So those are feelings in your body, and those are examples of relationships that roll out in your life. You know them, you live them. So with TAT, what you can do is take the thoughts you have, every single one of them, no matter how teeny weeny and small it seems, and do TAT about all those thoughts, all the feelings in your body, just the feeling of being fearful, and the manifestations of that, like, oh, every time I, go out on a date or get close with my family, we're in the same room together, I just get so nervous, fearful, whatever it is for you, however it's manifesting, you just take all those things, throw them in what I call a TAT pot. That just means all the stuff you're working on that moment. Go through the process and you will be feeling better. Of course, I can't 100% guarantee everything or anything, but that is my experience over 25 years. Things change radically and effortlessly, and you end up feeling better immediately. That is typical. So I hope you will give it a try. Thank you for listening, and see you next time.